Hey babes, it's Deme B, and this is Tipsy Upon Arrival. I got to stay at 2 hotels during my trip to Houston, Texas, and I wanted to be able to share both of them with you. I didn't share as much as the room as I wanted to because I recorded after we were a bit messy, but you'll get the picture. First up is going to be my hotel that I stayed at in downtown Houston, so check it out. This room tour is going to be a tour of the second hotel I stayed during my trip to Houston at Hilton Americas, located in downtown Houston, Texas. I was also able to get some footage of the hotel as well, so I'm going to share that with you. But we're going to be touring room 17051. It's a 2-queen bed with a park view. Some of the hotel amenities is they have an on-site restaurant, an indoor pool and hot tub, and a skyline deck. It's connected to the convention center and just a few steps away from the Toyota Center. So if you're coming to Houston for a concert, this is the perfect hotel for you. So check out the room tour and leave any questions you may have below. Enjoy.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
Hope you enjoyed this vlog, and make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you never miss any of my videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and happy traveling.
Need you right in my space.